Hi there, I'm Alex. In today's video I will show you how to synchronize comments and attachments using Getint. In this example we have Jira and Azure DevOps, but keep in mind this applies to all our integrations as the UI is the same, and we are working on version 1.78 today, so of course everything is subject to change due to constant updates being released for the tool. So once you have done your mapping, head over to the type mapping configuration and go to the comments and attachments section. Here, make sure you enable the checkbox and choose the direction of the sync. Below, you can filter the comments based on criteria. For example, you may want to permit or exclude comments based on author name, content, or creation date. And of course, you can create separate filters for both sides of the integration. And below, there is some customization. The first one is quite specific. It is about an automatic comment created by Getint when it pairs two items together. So you can see a preview of the comment here, and you may want to see that comment there or not. And the next three ones are included in the footnote of the comment. Please keep in mind that all synchronized comments are posted by the service account that you use to create the connections with. So for example, it may be a good idea to maintain attribution to the original author of the comment. And next, you can include original item ID or the original comment creation date. Here on the left, you can see comments with all of these three disabled and enabled. Below, you can enable user mentions in comments. This depends whether it is supported based on the integration that you're using, and comments visibility, whether you want to add comments as private to Jira, mostly useful for GSM. To synchronize attachments, again, hit enable, choose the direction of the sync, and again, some options. This delete attachments option is about when you have a sync in place and the items have an attachment. So now when you have this enabled, when you delete the attachment from one side, Getint will delete it from the other side of the integration as well. Next, you can sync in images and comments, self-explanatory, but it is only for the Azure DevOps integration as of this version. And next, you can decide whether you want to sync only public attachments in Jira or to insert attachments to a public comment in Jira as well. Again, mostly useful for Jira service management. So once you have done your settings, I'm gonna change some things. Let me disable all of these and hit apply. And now we've only done it for the API configuration. So now copy the configuration and apply it for the other fields. So as we can see, all these changes have been made, so you don't have to repeat the whole process again. One nice thing to mention is, of course, these icons for comments and attachments. For example, if you disable the attachments on one field, you can see that this icon has disappeared, and you can tell at first glance that attachments aren't enabled for the field, for the task field. So if you have any feedback or questions, feel free to comment. If you're encountering any issues or you'd like a call, feel free to open a support ticket or to chat with one of our support members. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.